Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Carla, and for today's video I will be showing you how to create this easy beachy waves, mermaid waves. The product I'm going to be using is the Bedhead Wave Artist. To be completely honest, I did not want to purchase this specific one. I wanted to get the Allure one, which is the one with the pink handle and like the thick 3 barrels. But Amazon.e was completely sold out, and Amazon.com did not want to ship to Germany, which I get it. You know, right now they're only shipping essentials, and me getting my hair, you know, looking like wavy and mermaid is not an essential. Totally get it. So the only other option I had was this one right here, because it's the only other thing that was sold at my local drugstore. And when I first saw it, I actually walked past it and I was like, oh no, like that will never work for me, because the barrels are so small, you know, like compared to the Allure one, which has the big thick 3 barrels. This one literally just has like one right here, and that's it. And all I could think of is I'm gonna have my hair looking like an uncooked lasagna pasta because of how like tiny it is, and because of how much hair and how much like thick hair I have. I went home and I actually started seeing some reviews, and it made me not want to buy it even more, because the reviews that I was coming across, people were like holding it for like 2-3 seconds and then, you know, moving forward to their next section and whatnot. And if you hold this for like 2-3-4 seconds on your hair, it's going to do absolutely nothing. Like, it's not really gonna like create that wave that, you know, we're all going for. So in order for this to like genuinely work out, you have to hold it for like 10, 15, 20 seconds at a time, and then it's gonna give you this like nice volume and like nice beachy mermaid hair. So I'm actually glad I ended up buying it and trying it for myself, because I think this product right here is amazing. I think it does what it's supposed to and more. If you guys want to see how good this product is in action and how I created the waves, go ahead and keep on watching. Right now I am working with 2nd to 3rd day hair. I feel like your curls and everything holds a little bit better when your hair is not like completely clean. The only product that I have on is some dry shampoo and a little bit of heat protectant. So I'm going to start off by just parting my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in. I do have a mirror behind the camera, so if I look away, you know, I'm just not trying to burn myself. And some people don't like doing the ends. I like the look with the ends done as well. Oh, this is looking perfect. So this part right here, I held it a lot longer than I did the first time. So the first time I did like 10 seconds, like clamping 10 seconds each. This one I held it for like 20 seconds, and you can definitely see it looks like so much better. So don't be afraid to, you know, to like go in and leave it there. One thing I am gonna tell you, I just started and my hands are already hurting. So I don't know, I mean, I don't think it's this specific waver in particular, but I do think that, you know, it is an easy, simple look, but your hands are really gonna start hurting, because I've only done it 2 times and I'm already like, you know, in pain. Another thing I do when I clamp the hair is I kind of push it upwards, if that makes sense. I'm done with this part right here. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, work on the second one, but I'm gonna like push it up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I feel like that's gonna make the curl hold a little bit better also. So I'm done with this side right here, at least the bottom part, so you can kind of like compare how easy and effortless this was. You know, my hair over here is like really straight, and this one looks really nicely waved. Also, this is very self-explanatory, but make sure when you go to your other section, make sure you start off like right where you left off, because you can easily, you know, like just start off somewhere else. So make sure you go down like the exact amount so that your waves look like, you know, they're actually like waves and they're not like one wave here and then a plain spot and then the other wave. I don't know if that makes any sense, but make sure you do them like very close together so it looks, you know, like nice and even. This is how the bottom part of my hair looks, and I really like it. I think it looks really, really nice. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. So I went ahead and did the rest of my hair. Now all I have to do is the top of it. I'm gonna do the top a little bit different in the sense of how I'm placing the waver. I'm actually gonna go ahead and flip it now because when you use it this way up, like this side up, your first wave is like upwards. And I don't want to have that on the top of my hair. So I don't want my hair to start like this because I personally just don't like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it so it starts kind of like straight and then the wave comes over here. So it looks a little bit more natural. So I'm just gonna do two, I'm gonna part it into two. And hopefully you guys can see it. And as you guys can see, I'm still pushing this upwards because remember, like once you move the waver lower, the top part is still gonna be hot. So if you push it like this, if you push it upwards, you see how the wave is still like right here? Because it's still hot, it's still getting formed. So I feel like this way it's gonna hold a little bit better. So every time you go down with the waver, push it up so that the heat can still work on your hair even when it's not, you know, inside the waver. So this is the finished look. The amount of volume that my hair has right now, the amount of volume that this has given my hair, it's absolutely crazy. Like it's insane because I don't have any other hair products in order for my hair to look, you know, like this. But I really like it. I think the waves look very effortless, very beachy. Very quick, my thoughts on this because this was the first time I used it. I really, really like it. I feel like it's perfect. The waves that it gave me were like perfect. It looked so effortless and it was under $25, which is also great. You can find it locally. My only complaint, because I do have a complaint, is it made my thumb hurt so bad. You constantly have to obviously, you know, like press it and keep it pressed in order to create the waves. And it puts a lot of stress right here on your thumb. And it does hurt, I'm not gonna lie. So I did take breaks in between because my thumb started to like really hurt. Aside from that, this is awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want, consider subscribing so you do not miss any of my other upcoming videos. I will see you guys next.